everyone and welcome back. Today we're making some Christmas tree matcha blondies. So blondies are actually brownies without chocolate in them, and we're flavoring them with matcha and we're decorating them with matcha buttercream. Before I begin, if you're admiring my shirt, it is part of my merch. Oh my god, I've had this idea in my mind for like a year, so I'm like particularly attached to this one. It's a toast and it says toasty. I think you can see it in the screen. Yes, thank you, there you go. But anyways, link is down below at the end of the video, and let's get started on the recipe. I am sorry for having it take so long. Okay, so first to bake the blondies, you want to pour some melted butter and brown sugar into a mixing bowl and beat with an electric mixer until just combined. Add some eggs, vanilla extract, almond extract, and salt and mix well. And I'll have all the ingredients listed in the description box for you if you want to make this. Then add some flour and matcha green tea powder and mix until well combined. And I actually have a coupon code for this matcha I'm using. This video isn't sponsored, but this product is sponsored in another video coming this week. But I figured it's Christmas, so I may as well just like throw in the coupon code in this video too. So check in the description box down below for a coupon code so you can save some money off of this matcha, and it's actually really, really good. Then you want to grease a triangle cake pan with cooking spray and fill the pan with the batter and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until the edges are just starting to brown, and then cool completely. Then to decorate, we're going to make some buttercream. So first you want to beat some butter with an electric mixer until it's light and fluffy. Add some vanilla extract and mix to combine. Then add the confectioner sugar 1 cup at a time, then beat for 3 minutes or until it's light and fluffy. Set aside about a quarter of the buttercream and add the same matcha to the larger amount and mix well. Use a variety of piping tips to pipe different styles of trees onto the blondie. And so for the green and white effect, what you want to do is just spread white first into the piping bag where you want the white to show up based on how your piping tip is in the piping bag. And then fill the rest of the space with green, and then you'll see it come out with both colors and it looks like they're dusted with snow. And I'll have each piping tip that I use on the screen here so that you know which piping tip to pick up if you want to make this like desired pattern. I'll also link them all in the description box down below on Amazon, so if you want to pick them up, everything is there for you. You don't have to like search for it or anything. But yeah, and you are done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. I love these because I feel like just using different piping tips, it makes it look very like refined and chic, which is definitely not what I'm like living with right now. As you can probably see, there's like Christmas presents all behind me in here. It's just like, my house is too small for me. It's a condo. And I'm struggling. But anyways, this recipe is minimalistic. So anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. Again, if you're interested in my merch, you can shop until December 20th and have it arrive by Christmas if you guys are in the States. International, it's cut off, including for me, funnily enough, because I'm in Canada, so I can't even like gift my stuff for Christmas, which like hurts a little bit, but if you're in the States, you still can. There's a ton of things coming before December 20th, so keep an eye out. I'll be posting on Instagram when that new stuff comes up. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for an only video. Bye!